Eclectic homeschooling is a wonderful approach that embraces balance by allowing flexibility in choosing various educational methods. This approach lets you tailor the learning experience to your child's needs, strengths, and interests, drawing from a variety of philosophies and curricula. The key benefit is the freedom to adopt based on what works best for your child, ensuring a balanced mix of structure and creativity. Today's video is for homeschooling parents or for the parents who are planning to switch from conventional school system. Since I am a part of large homeschooling groups and communities, I often see parents getting at each other's throat for their choices, decisions, and routines they follow to practice successful homeschooling. Well, first things first, homeschooling is a form of education where there are no hard and fast rules, no boundaries, freedom of influx of information and knowledge is in your complete control. So there is no room for judgments if you are a part of homeschooling community. I am often asked by parents that which style of homeschooling am I following for, since there are many forms of homeschooling, which I will discuss later in some other video. I'm a person who believes in absolute balance in every decision. That's why I chose eclectic homeschooling for my children. It is a blend of all the other methods. I'm homeschooling my children for past 4.5 years now and always maintained a balance between academics and important factors of child's personal, social, emotional, physical, and mental growth. If I talk about academics, languages and maths are two core subjects that I taught them in early years every single day. When they turned 10 plus, I introduced them natural sciences and of course languages, which is English and Urdu, along with maths, are permanent feature of academics. As maths gets tough and tech subjects like physics, chemistry, and computer science need subject matter experts, I enrolled them in academy for these 4 subjects. My elder son is 12 years old and younger one is 10 years old. So they are enrolled in those classes not because they have to appear in an exam. In fact, they will be attending the same classes for next 2 to 3 years. So they will be exposed to same topics, same subjects, same concepts for 2 to 3 years until these subjects become their second nature. I prefer healthy activity when it comes to letting your children get access to screen time. So learning is again taking place when my children are enjoying acquiring new skills like coding, 3D, 2D animation, and digital art. As parents, we try to provide them best of best resources so they can explore their creativity. Education and physical activities go hand in glove for child's well-being. My sons, being passionate footballers, are part of football club where they are practicing, playing the game they love. I hope my video will add some value in your homeschooling routine. Thanks for watching my video. your children are exposed to